Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to unsend an email in Gmail. So when you send a message in Gmail, you usually have a short amount of time to undo that message, but it's not very long. I think it's about 5 seconds your account will probably be set up, but you can undo it. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to click send for this message, and you see on the left-hand side, I've got an undo tab, but it doesn't last very long. So that was probably about 5 seconds. But what you can do is you can increase this time so you at least have a little more time to undo a message when you need to. So I'll show you how to do that. So you head to the settings tab, see all settings, and then you stay on the general page and scroll down to undo send. So it says send cancellation period 5 seconds. So the highest I can change it to is 30 seconds, but it still gives you a bit more time. So I'm going to scroll down. When you've set that, click on save changes. And next time you send a message, you have 30 seconds. So let me try and send another message and see if I get a bit more time. So I'm going to send that. So yeah, let's see if it goes up over 5 seconds. Yeah, definitely over 5 seconds. So I'm going to click on undo and the message comes back again. So this is really useful. Say if you sent a message and you need to add a file to it or something like that. So it just gives you that little bit more time to undo it if you need to. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.